Do you have the hiccups?
I'm trying to take this off.
You don't take it off yet.
I want to.
Hey, Rocco, say hi.
No.
Fine.
No. What today, Wednesday?
No.
Thursday?
Mm-hmm.
I want to see Papa tonight?
No, tomorrow.
Oh. Tonight.
Why do you have the hiccups all the time?
You have the hiccups?
Caius
Kaius?
does.
Does Kaius have the hiccups?
Yeah, could you hear them right now?
Yeah, it's super loud.
Rocco.
Huh?
Psst.
No.
Why?
No.
Are you mad?
No.
You're mad?
No.
Why?
Because I want fruit.
I don't have any food.